are in Minnehaha Park. It's very beautiful, very large. You can see there's snow on the ground. They say it's really their first snow of the season here. And we're heading toward Minnehaha Falls. Figured we should get some nature in when we're here in Minneapolis. And I actually have been to Minnehaha Falls before. When I was a very little girl, my favorite aunt Anna moved to Minneapolis from South Dakota, and we went to see the Minnehaha Falls. I don't remember a thing, but I remember the name because it was so unusual. This is more beautiful than you can imagine. The falls are gorgeous, and of course they have been falling since I was 5. And then all of the frozen water, just a beautiful, beautiful sight. Falls are located on Minnehaha Creek near the confluence of the Mississippi River. It is the most photographed site in Minnesota, especially popular with pioneer photographers, and also was made even more famous by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow's poem, Hiawatha. And there's a major artery around here called Hiawatha. So Hiawatha and Minnehaha Creek and Minnehaha Falls, a little bit of Minnesota history.